Welcome to Moga. In this video, I'll show you how to create your account, connect your payouts, customize your creator page, and start your first session. The whole setup only takes a few minutes, and once you're done, you'll be ready to accept image submissions from your community. Let's begin by creating a creator account. You can sign up using Google or your email address. Once you've verified your account, you'll be taken straight into your dashboard. If you've already got an account, you can simply log in and continue where you left off. Before starting your first session, it's worth taking a minute to personalize your page, upload a profile picture, write a short bio, and choose a username that your audience will recognize. Your creator page is what viewers will visit when they want to submit images, so make sure it represents your brand. Connecting Stripe. Before you can receive payments, you'll need to connect Stripe. Stripe handles all payments securely, so your earnings are sent directly to you. This is only something you'll need to do once. Simply follow the Stripe onboarding process, enter your details, and once your account has been verified, you'll automatically be brought back to Moga. Dashboard Overview. Once everything's connected, you'll arrive on your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your sessions, view your submissions, track your earnings, and update your creator profile. Everything is designed to be simple, so you can spend less time setting things up and more time interacting with your viewers. Now let's create a session. Click Start Session and give your stream a title. This title is what your viewers will see when your session is live, so keep it clear and descriptive. Next, you can customize your submission prices. Choose how much you want to charge for standard submissions, skips, and any priority options. You're in complete control, so you can adjust these prices whenever you like depending on your content or audience. Once everything looks good, simply start your session. Your page is now live and ready to accept submissions. Anyone with your creator link can begin uploading images straight away. Receiving submissions. As viewers submit images, they'll appear in your queue in real time. You'll be able to see who submitted them, any notes they've included, and where they are in the queue. Paid priority submissions automatically move into the correct position, so there's nothing you need to manage manually. When you're ready, simply select a submission. You can open the image, review it on stream, and then move on to the next one whenever you're finished. This keeps everything organized while giving your viewers a smooth experience. Throughout your session, you'll always have full control over the queue. You can work through submissions at your own pace, remove completed ones, and keep everything organized without interrupting your stream. Once you've finished, simply end the session. New submissions will automatically close while your completed session information remains available in your dashboard. You can also keep track of your earnings directly inside Moga. Every payment is securely processed through Stripe, giving you a clear overview of your revenue. And that's it. You're now ready to start running sessions and accepting submissions from your community. If you ever need help, you'll find additional guides and support inside Moga. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Moga.